Fiji already has a reputation of teamwork and unity on the field. Now it's time to bring it home.
It's time for all Fijians to get in the game.
Because we stand side by side.
As one united team.
As of July 3rd, every Fijian 18 and over should register to vote.
Hey, I've never stood on the sidelines.
Me too.
No matter why you're voting, be sure to register, starting July 3rd. A new day is dawning in Fiji. One where all Fijians are casting their votes for the future of our country. Why are you registering?
To help Fiji grow.
Because this is our home.
For my child's future.
For every Fijian's success.
Because I count.
Starting July 3rd, every Fijian who is 18 years and older can register to vote.
It's my right as Fijian.
Voter registration starts July 3rd. No matter how far you have to travel, no matter how you sign your name, or what language you speak.
I'm registering because I'm Fijian.
From today, we are all Fijian.
Because I'm Fijian.
Because I'm Fijian.
Because I'm Fijian.
Because I'm Fijian.
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 Voter registration begins July 3rd.